Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this short video I'm going to go over how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of C Harmonic Minor. So we're just going to quickly review the notes for a C Harmonic Minor scale. We've got Do is C, Re is D, May, E flat, Fa, F, So, G, Lay, A flat, and then we have our augmented second here, T, Do. Fingering is standard, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 4, 1, if you're going on. Left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So the main thing that you want to consider when you're playing a formula pattern scale is we are organizing the scale into sections or segments that are either parallel, like we're used to practicing, or contrary, going the other way. The good thing about this is that even though they aren't playing the same notes, the fingering, they're crossing under at the same time. So if you look at that diagram above, you'll see the formula pattern. So first we go up, then we go out, then we go in, then we go up, down, out, in, and down. So we're going to lock in our formula pattern using a series of short and long rhythms with the hands together in order to plan what's coming next. So we'll start with 5 on Do or C, 1 on Do or C, short, long rhythms. Here we go. Right hand under 3, left hand over with 3. Now right hand's going to continue on up, so right hand's going to cross under 4, left hand changing directions. Now we're going out. Cross under 3, stretch to the top, back in, crossing with 3, left hand's going to have the big stretch, and then left hand's going to cross with 4 because we're going up now. And then this will feel familiar. Hands switch directions together, under 3, over with 3 with the right hand. Now left hand's going to cross under because we're going to go out again. Coming out. Back in. Cross with 3. Now right hand's going to cross with 4. Left hand's going to change direction. So we're going down. Now nice and slow, not in rhythms. Cross under 3. Right hand crosses under 4. Left hand switches directions. We're going out. Now we're going in. Now left hand's going to continue on up, so left hand's going to cross with 4. Right hand changes directions. Up. Both hands change directions, coming down. Under 3. Now left hand's going to continue going down. Right hand's going to go up. Contrary motion. And switch. Now right hand's going to continue on down. Left hand's going to turn around. Now you'll see from the diagram above that the only thing that changes between 2-octave formula pattern scales and 4-octave formula pattern scales is the length of the segment. So in 2-octave formula pattern scales we had 1 octave up, 1 octave out, 1 in, 1 up, 1 down, 1 out, 1 in, 1 down. And we're going to start 1 octave apart, but our first segment is going to be 2 octaves. Then out, then in, 2 octaves up, down, out, in, and down. So let's give that a try. 1 more octave. Right hand's going to continue up, left hand turn around. Same fingering, but they feel different because of where the black keys are. Cross with 3, cross with 4. Now left hand continues up. hand's going to continue on down, right hand's going to turn around. Then they switch in. Now right hand's going to continue down, left hand changes direction. Thank you for watching that short video on how to play formula pattern scales in the key of C minor. We covered harmonic minor. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and also quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.